Today I harvested pumpkin from my backyard. Pumpkin is a low calorie and very high in nutritional value, fiber, vitamin A, lots of nutritional value. It grows on vines. This is a big vine running around my backyard. This is a male flower, and how you know it's male? Because there is no fruit in the base. And I'm going to show you some female flower. We need both male and female flowers for a pumpkin. So flowers are also edible, male flowers, and this is a female flower. It is a cute little fruit pumpkin, and the leaves are also edible. So pumpkin, like all the most of the parts are edible. The leaves, the flowers, the fruit. So I'm going to harvest some. The taste is little bit sweet potato and leaves and spinach. So this is one pumpkin here. It should be firm, and then another reason to harvest is it should be the tendril which you see here should be dried up. So this is not dried up. So this is not ready to harvest. There is one more I have which is ready to harvest. And when the pumpkin grows a little bit bigger, make sure it's not in the soil. Put some tile or something so it doesn't carry any disease from the soil. Put some hard material. So this one here, the tendril is dry. So this is ready to harvest. So when you are harvesting, make sure you cut part of the stalk. Don't cut from the base of the stalk, because this way you will increase the shelf life of a pumpkin. So if you're harvesting a lot of pumpkins, then you can store it over a time. And so keep a stalk and then cut it from the vine. So this is ready. I will usually cut the pumpkin from the grooves which you see the slices like. So I usually cut it there. So this is beautiful. The skin of this pumpkin is very thin and it's organic. I didn't spray any chemicals. So I'm going to cook it with the skin. The skin is also very healthy, and the seeds. This pumpkin seeds, I'll wash it, and there's a long process, and roast it. So I'll make another video of how to use the seeds. Seeds also has lot of nutritional value, and I'm going to keep some seeds to plant another pumpkin for the next season. So do plant pumpkins and post any questions you have. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe Grow and Glow for healthy lifestyle videos, and especially vegetable and fruits growing and tips about it.